Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove your Windows 11 or 10 password without using a USB drive or an extra tool. And the best part, you will not lose data. On the Windows login screen, hit the Start button while holding the Shift key on your keyboard. OK, click the Troubleshoot option. Hit the Advanced option. Choose Command Prompt and the command prompt will open. Yes, enter disk part and press Enter. OK, run the list volume command lines. All your volumes are shown. Here, you can check which volume is your system partition. Now, run the command to exit the disk part utility. Now run commands to move utilman.exe. And copy cmd.exe to your original utilman.exe location. Finally, run a util reboot to restart your computer. OK, the computer restarts and shows the lock screen. Click the Accessibility button. Now you can see the command prompts. Run the commands to reset your locked account password. Well, now you can sign into Windows 11 with your new password. Congratulations! You can log in the Windows computer. Now you can run command prompt as administrator and restore the utilman.exe. Get another accessible Windows computer and navigate to iSunshare.com. Then find Windows Password Genius and download the software. After download and install it on your computer. You can run this Windows password recovery tool. Select the USB device option. And insert a USB to create a password reset disk. Select it and click the Begin Burning button. A warning prompt comes to tell you the USB drive will be formatted. Click Yes to proceed. Once the burning process is done, you can disconnect the USB drive and insert it into the locked Windows computer. Start the computer. Then press F12 to enter boot options. Select to boot from USB. Now you can see the interface of iSunshare Windows Password Genius. Select your operating system. Then choose the locked account. Click the Reset Password button. And the Yes button on the prompt. Now the login password is removed. You can click the Reboot button to restart the computer. Remember to disconnect the USB drive before clicking the Yes button. Well, now the computer starts without asking you for the login password. That's all for the video.